Another beautiful Sunday here in Murrells Inlet, and we're going to check out another restaurant. Stay tuned.
Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and what else to do on a beautiful Sunday than to have some brunch? Let's go in here to one of my favorites, Creek RatZ. Let's take a look. As you can tell, it's still dressed up for a beautiful Christmas.
Listen how loud the game is.
I hear it, and they're having fun, aren't they?
There's a Christmas tree way out there on the end of the dock. Usually this place is bustling and it's got beautiful views, but because it's in the middle of January, because it's in the middle of December, they had to batten down the hatches a little bit here at Creek RatZ.
They can stay nice and warm.
That's right. You got your outside seating. And you know you got the beautiful views of the marsh from here.
And something new to Creek RatZ is the little bar area down there where you don't have to come all the way to the bar. You can stay on the marsh walk and still grab a drink.
Dressed up like a little boat or something in the front. Let's go look at this.
All right.
And of course they have an inside and another outside bar right there. It's really happening in the summertime.
Or at night.
And at night. Here's your convenient ATM. This is called the Bahama bar.
Of Creek RatZ.
At Creek RatZ.
They still have the props.
Okay, here it is. The Bahama bar, Creek RatZ. Gosh.
That's what they'd really like, the bloopers.
That's what I just tripped on right here. I'm glad it's painted yellow so I can see it.
Actually, we're coming here today to try the Grinch drink. They're advertising it the whole week, and it has definitely got my attention.
Got lots of parking out here, but for some reason, if it's packed, you can park across the street for free. So this is your outside bar outside of Creek RatZ, where the walls are removed. These are temporary walls. They are removed, and you can sit out here at night or in the summer and enjoy the beautiful views of the marsh. And the bathrooms are not too far away. Right there. And so this is the outside. Normally, these are open whenever it's warm, summertime. Have an excellent view of the marsh there. Okay, so right there is where they have live bands for that stage. Here's a look at the inside. They've got a full bar. So if you get thirsty, there's a lot to drink here. So if you come during the winter or the cooler months, they usually have a nice fire going and keep you warm. Keep you warm and cozy. There's lots of room, as you can see. It'll seat large families down here in Murrells Inlet.
And we all know that pictures speak volume, and this has been getting my attention the whole week. So here you go. It's called the Christmas tree from RatZ. Can y'all see it?
It's called the what?
Christmas tree.
Christmas tree.
The picture you saw was not called the Christmas tree. It is called the Green Grouch. So there you go.
The Green Grouch.
The Green Grouch.
See if it's good.
Let's have a sip.
What's it taste like?
Midori sour.
Okay, here at Creek RatZ, you have your basic appetizers, soup and salads, baskets, plates and bowls, pasta. I'm sorry, that is pizza, sandwiches. And here's a little message here. What is a creek rat? It is the term of endearment used to describe a child who grew up in Murrells Inlet, South Carolina. Right here on the menu, so you can see what it means. Oh, got raw bar, some kids menu, and desserts. Look at these cool chairs. Pretty neat. Got all kind of memorabilia on the wall. And an upside down Christmas tree. Hoisted up by the ropes. You got your cool kids rides. Kids only. So this is the Reuben. Yum, look at that. And that's sweet potato fries. A little bit of whipped honey butter. She got the Philly cheese steak sandwich with regular fries. God, that's a lot of meat. Yeah, look at that.
Delicious meat and cheese.
Like it? Yum. That's pretty good. The sauerkraut. Did you know sauerkraut came on this?
Yep.
Well, I think it was pretty good. Was yours pretty good? So our total for today's lunch is $49.79.
Okay, well there you have it. That was a quick look at Creek RatZ. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, so you too can keep beaching. We've got some Christmas shopping to do.